welcome to your YouTube channel, that is Carlos Seco. Today we're going to share about the new car that is DS4 LA Premiere. So now we'll be starting and beginning up with this more interesting facts and latest information about this car. You guys know that this is a British customers can reserve their high specifications luxury hatchback. The first example of in DS automobiles, that is the new hatchback, the DS4 are now available to pre-order in the UK. It's not even being ordered and you get the car immediately, but you since have to give a pre-order in the UK for this availability of the car. The La Premier model is in the top specification in the hatchback range, which prices starts under $40,000 and offering customers a choice of a petrol and a plug-in hybrid powertrains. The new model is designed to rival the premium hatches such as the Audi A3 and the BMW 1 series, offering a French take on luxury compact vehicles. As such, it takes from its much malignant predecessor, but it comes with a much more sophisticated image, including a rakish rear window and a pronounced front grille. Externally, the high-end La Premiere variant is marked out by black grille and gloss black trim accents along with a one patch on the bonnet. The car also gets black trim between the rear lights and the lower areas of the bodywork, while the whole thing sits on 19-inch two-tone of alloy wheels. Inside, the La Premier comes with an Opera interior, giving it a watch strap, Napa leather cooled heated in a massaging seats and a leather trim on the doors. And the dashboard standard equipment also includes DS's latest generation touchscreen infotainment system with gesture control, as well as the extended head-up display. There are LED headlights with matrix technology to allowing the lights to dip in the direction of the other vehicles while leaving the full beam elsewhere. Now talking about the next topic, that is the basic and an attractive topic and a feature that a car should have. That is the other high technology additions, which includes the DS Active Scan suspension, which basically scans the road ahead for its imperfections, then tunes the dampers to suit the upcoming bumps. Upfront customers can choose between the pure technological, that is around 225 petrol engine, and the E10s, that is around 225 plug-in hybrid. Both basically guys boost up and boast around 222 bhp and use around 1.6 liter petrol engine. But the latter adds an electric motor and a lithium ion battery, offering a 30-mile all-electric range. Customer can pre-order their La Premiere model until the end of July, but the first cars won't arrive in the UK until later this year. And both boast around, they'll be followed by the remainder of the DS4 range, which will include the petrol-powered versions with the as well as 128 bhp with 1.5 liter diesel. I hope guys this video is nice and you guys enjoyed. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have a great